Hello guys, today we are going to see how to create an Instagram post in Cloud Express. So let's get started. Now click icon and in create new, click on Instagram post. Now select the template which you want. Let me select this template and double click on the text to edit it. You need to type the new text here. Let me type Happy New Year. And in the bottom text, let me type 2022 and place it in the correct position. To increase the size, you need to click here and select the desired size from the drop down. Let me select 132. And that's it guys, we created a basic greeting card and let's add some little animations to our text. Let's add this animation. And for the photo, let's add the fade animation. And that's it guys, you created your own greeting card for New Year. And let's meet in the new video with a new project, and bye guys.